Russell right now. This bar has a high, I think it's got a high of 99.7. Let's just make sure. It's got a high here of 99.6. So we're going to sell 20 ticks below that at 97.6. Okay, 97.6. Because what will happen when we get the down close there, it's going to close right here at 97.7. And it triggered us in and it slipped us 2 ticks. We'll get the down close right there, and when it gives us down close, it's going to pop out of the overbought. What we anticipate is that it's going to get down here to 94.6. So we anticipate that it's going to get all the way down here to 94.6. Now, the rule says to move the stop to break even after you get 10 ticks in profit. So it's got to go right to there, and we'll bump to break even like that. And now I'm just going to lock in a couple of ticks, pay for the trade. And it should go down to the prior swing low, which is down here. Okay, it should go down to the prior swing low. When I say pay for the trade, I mean pay for the commission of the trade. 1 tick would have done it, but I'll lock in 2. The minimum that it should do is down here at 94.6. Alright, and looking at the leg lengths, now this is in yesterday's lesson plan, but looking at the leg lengths, we got the 2. Looking at the leg lengths, that's about all it should do, is get down here to the prior swing low. Okay, so I'm going to add the 2 there to the YM. That will put us at 13 there. And so far on the day, I'm just going to put everything in the spreadsheet for today. I put this one trade on right here. Okay, and we got just a couple of ticks on that. And let me fill out the spreadsheet. So for today, so far, on the NQ, we stopped out on that last trade. So we were at 115 ticks, and now we're at, let me just check that. We're at 115, and now we're at 115 minus 36, whatever that is. 115 minus, my brain's not doing math right now. Not that math. Minus 36. That's 79, that's what I thought. 79. Okay. So we're at 79 on the NQ. And on the Russell, we are now at 36. And on the YM, we are now at 13 overall. And on the ES, we are now at 3. Okay. So we're currently at $677.50 per contract on the morning session.